In number 5, we have the Moyoko Portable Clothes Dryer for apartment, RV, and travel. This premium mini machine is perfect for light clothes like t-shirts, baby clothes, or workout gear. It's designed to be ultra-compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, making it ideal for traveling, RV life, or small apartments. Despite its small size, it dries clothes efficiently while protecting fabrics. The quick drying time, easy setup, and energy efficiency make it a reliable choice when you need portability and convenience. If you're always on the move or living in a small space, this little machine can really make a difference. In number 4, we have the Yuumi 110 volts Portable Clothes Dryer 850W Compact Laundry Dryer. This Yuumi dryer packs solid performance in a small size. It features 850 watts of drying power, perfect for handling daily laundry needs in apartments, dorms, or RVs. It's easy to set up, lightweight enough to move around, and the intuitive controls make operating it a breeze. The stainless steel inner drum provides durability, and it offers efficient drying without taking up much space. If you need a powerful yet portable solution for quick drying, the Yuumi 110 volts is definitely a smart pick. In number 3, we have the Costway GYJ-578 110 volts Electric Portable Clothes Stainless Steel Tub Laundry Dryer. This portable dryer is built to last with its durable stainless steel tub and powerful 850W motor. It offers efficient drying while keeping your clothes in great condition, thanks to its gentle drying cycle. The compact design makes it easy to place anywhere, whether it's in an apartment, a dorm room, or even an RV. It also has multiple heat settings, giving you more control over how you dry different types of fabric. If you want a long-lasting, high-performance portable dryer, the Costway GYJ-578 is an excellent choice. In number 2, we have the Black Plus Deckerby CED37 Compact Dryer for Standard Wall Outlet. This Black Plus Decker model stands out for its convenience. You simply plug it into a standard 120 volts outlet, no special wiring needed. It offers a 13.2-pound drying capacity, perfect for small families, apartments, and tight spaces. With multiple drying modes, including air dry and cool down, you get flexibility depending on your laundry needs. It's compact yet sturdy, energy efficient, and has a modern, sleek design that fits well into any home. If you want reliable performance without complicated setup, this is your go-to compact dryer. And finally, at number 1, the Yuumi Portable Dryer for Apartments with 4 modes and a 1.5 FT capacity. This top-rated portable dryer offers a perfect balance of power, size, and features. It provides for drying modes, strong, smart, eco, and normal, making it easy to dry different types of clothes efficiently. The 1.5 cubic feet capacity is enough for daily laundry while still being compact enough to fit in apartments, dorms, and RVs. It runs quietly, saves energy, and its stainless steel drum protects your clothes while drying. If you want the ultimate portable dryer experience in 2025, the Yuumi Portable Dryer is the best pick.